Welcome to Challenge Forex. My name is Steve, and to start off today I'm going to go through a bit of a trading session I had this week, and I was actually trading on the Fivers funded account. This is a 10k funded account. I actually have 4 of those, and I will show you the certificates in a moment, but let's have a look at the trading that's going on at the moment for this one. So we are actually up about 6% at the moment on this account, and we've also got a live trade open at the moment which is almost ready to hit the take profit. So at the moment we have about 2.29%, 2.3% profit, and we're aiming for around 3.3%, or I'm trying to get up to anyway around a $11,000 balance. So far this account is going well, and we are heading towards the target. Now let's have a look at my Fivers account. So this is my 10k funded account, and the first trade that I've had on this account, and this will be my first payout. And we can see here that I've made $525 from trading this week, and they've actually added on my $78 fee to that as well as part of the equity. So when I get my payout, I will actually get the $1,003 minus my profit split. And I think for the Fivers, this is an 80-20 split, so I should get around about $800 US. Just quickly having a look at the trades that I took this week. I actually placed the trades in 2 lots, so I put on 2 positions at the same time. And the reason I do that is to make the lot sizes smaller. So we can see here, we've got the first trade was on the 19th of May. We had two trades at 0.77 lots. The next trade we took was on the 20th of May, and that was 2 trades at 0.79 lots. And the next day was the 21st of May. We had 0.81 lots, 2 trades again, and the 22nd of May, the same thing, 0.81 lots. This one actually closed a little bit earlier though. We actually reached the amount that I wanted to make in the day. So I wanted to get my equity up to the $1,000 mark, which we have here. So I actually closed out the trades. So we had all winning trades, 100% win rate for this week. No losses at all, and this is on my funded account. And briefly, the way I actually do my trading for funded account, the same as I do for the challenge as well, for phase 1 and phase 2. As the plan being, I take multiple trades on the same account, but I also trade several accounts at the same time as well. So I might have a couple of winning trades and a few losing trades as well. But the main idea is that from the winning trades, when I get to the funded account, as long as I can make enough profit from the funded accounts to actually cover the losses and make a profit, I'm happy. And my plan for trading the funded account is to get a few payouts of around, at least $600 or $800 each one if I can, and then use the payout from these accounts to actually purchase either 50k or 100k accounts. Now I haven't decided which one I'm going to go for yet. I'll decide that probably in the next few weeks. But first of all, I want to get a few of these payouts of around $600, $800 if I can first. Put the money aside and then go in and purchase maybe 4 lots of 50k accounts or 4 lots of 100k accounts, and do the challenge on those as well. If you've seen my past videos, you'll see that I've actually back tested several different strategies using moving averages, RSI, MACD, and you can use any of these strategies once tested for yourself, maybe on a back test and then also on a demo account. See if you can actually use the prop firm rules to pass on a demo account first. So my strategy is simple. I can use any of the strategies that I've tested so far But the strategy I used this week for my live account was actually the RSI. The RSI using a moving average EMA 200 as a filter. Now let's have a look at the chart, and I'll give you a bit of an idea on where I actually enter my trades when using one of these strategies. So this one is the RSI strategy that I was trading with this week, and remember the results. We actually had every day was a win, so no losing trades this week, and we actually made 9% profit on the trading account. So here's where I would enter on the chart using the RSI strategy. There are actually two strategies I use on this one. First of all is the pullback, and the pullback strategy works simply like this. We look for a pullback to the EMA. We want the price to actually close above the EMA before entering a trade, but we see here that the price has gone to the oversold area, and then the RSI line has closed again above the line. So here we can see would be the entry point. So at the close of this green candle above the EMA, this would be one of my entry points for this strategy. The other one I use is the continuation strategy. So if we see the trend is going in an up direction, such as this one, and we have the price crossing above the upper line, we're expecting here that we're in a sort of a longer term trend, and the entry would be here at this pullback. As soon as we get a green candle, the stop loss I usually make somewhere around about 35 or 40 pips. So we would have the stop loss down around this level. We would have had, in this case, a bit of a drawdown, but using a 1-to-1, we would have actually made our profit fairly easily. Now looking at another strategy, and this strategy we're using now is the MACD, and you'll see on the same chart here, looking at the Aussie dollar for this week, the entry on this one would have been pretty much the same as on the RSI entry. So we can see here a pullback below the EMA 200, and we can see here the pullback on the MACD, but then we've got the cross of the MACD line here on this candle, and it would have been slightly delayed compared to the RSI crossover. The RSI would have got us into the trade after this candle. The MACD would have been one more green candle later. But that would have been the case. Check the stop loss level. So yes, if I put a stop loss of say 30 pips on, which I would have at least 30 or 35 pips, the take profit we would have reached here is we would have got to 50 pips. So doing a 1-to-1 trade, we would have still reached our target using the MACD as well, using the same idea. And the way I put on my trades is to either win fast or lose fast with prop firm trading. So I will put on a 3% trade, and I'll only place on one trade per day. And the reason I do that is we have a maximum loss of on some prop firm accounts 4% per day, some prop firms it's 5% per day. The thing is that I want to either win fast or lose fast. So if I have 3 winning days with a 3% gain, I'll reach my profit target. Or if I have 3 consecutive days where I actually lose, I will actually lose that challenge, but then I'll take on the next challenge anyway. So either way, we're going to win on maybe one account, we might lose on another one, but the plan is to get as many funded accounts as I can. So at the moment we have 4, and let's just quickly go through those now. And just to finish off this video, have a look at the results of my funded accounts, and I'm still going for more funded accounts in the coming weeks as well, so hoping to get a few more and some payouts as well coming up in the near future. So with my Fiverr's payout, I still need to wait another week before I can actually request a payout on that one. So coming soon. If you want to see more trading results from me and also have a look at more of my strategies for using on prop firm challenges, hit the like and subscribe button now, and make a comment below if there's anything that you would like me to cover in one of my videos. Also, let me know if you've been using any of the strategies I've tested on my back test in recent videos to see if you've actually passed any prop firm challenges with these as well. I'd be curious to know. Thanks very much.